chilly and snowy day here in Edmonton. However, we're so excited to start off our Wednesday by doing our unboxing of one of our famous treatment here in Skin Lueur. But first, hello to those who join our Skin Lueur membership. So please do join so that you can have free treatments and many perks if you join our membership. Due to popular demand, we decided to get another of our Skin Lueur celebrity facial so that we can cater friends, couples, and siblings who come together for our Skin Lueur celebrity facial. So I'll start from the smallest box of the machine, and then Sabrina would come and join me here. Okay. So usually the machine, if you purchase a new machine with them, it comes with the treatment kit itself. So this is the classic one. So we have the Neuro Bright, okay, and this is the Neuro Revive. And then they have the premium. So the premium, Sabrina, do the honors. What's that?
This is the Oxybalance. So this is really good for the acneic clients. So it has bamboo charcoal in it.
And then this is the Neuro Revive with red algae in it.
So this is good for our aging clients. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, this is the treatment for you.
And this is the Oxy Illuminate with our famous Camu Camu extract that is 10,000 like potent like a vitamin C.
So it's good for clients with dark spots or pigmentation or just dull skin.
Okay. And then after this box, it comes with this one. So this is the machine. And for all our Skin Lueur members, also those who are watching, this machine that I purchased right now, this is not the one that we have, like the ordinary one, because this one now, Sabrina, if you can check here, it comes already with the tripolar, right? So aside from our famous Skin Lueur celebrity facial, this one has one perks already for tripolar, and tripolar is really good for lifting effect. So aside from having the Skin Lueur celebrity facial benefit, now they have to have the tripolar effect too of the radio frequency. So I think this is the accessory kit, right? So Sabrina, you do not set it up. I'll open this one. So it comes with this one, my collagen. So this is very disposable, right? Right? And then look at that, it even comes with screws up. What's this one? The handles, brochure, okay. And then this one, so this is the one I'm telling them. So this is so easy to, how do you set up? So the third box is what I'm telling you that I'm so excited with, because we'll be offering not the Skin Lueur Celebrity Facial, but we're gonna call it Skin Lueur, how do you call it? Skin Lueur Premium Celebrity Facial, right? So because why? We'll be adding now the ultrasound. So what is ultrasound? Ultrasound is acoustic sound. So as you have heard, there's a famous HIFO, right? The high focus ultrasound, but this is not the one, because that one is, so this one is what we call sonophoresis. So you can open that one, Sabrina, how I'll explain. So the ultrasound, it would help penetrate more the nutrients, right? For we know that Skin Lueur Celebrity Facial, we do the exfoliation, oxygenation, and infusion. So now the face now will be fully oxygenated. Now with the ultrasound, it would help, as I've told you, the sonophoresis technology would help the nutrients go inside deeper now into the dermis and epidermis. So what would happen is that if you have problem like baggy eyes, and then aside from that, if you have large pores, dilated pores, this one would help. As we have mentioned before, we have 5 types of oxygeneo, right? So this one would really help penetrate more. So this is the newest technology right now, using the acoustic sound to deeply penetrate without causing dermal damage on the surface of the skin. So this is better than they call the microneedling too, right? It's like microneedling, putting the product's nutrients down into the dermis area. So are you excited, guys? Yeah. So we can hand that. And then, as I've mentioned, we also have, can you get that one, Sabrina? Sorry, so the okay. the tripolar. So as we have mentioned, there's unipolar, bipolar, and the tripolar. So that tripolar machine is good for firming right now. So they only doesn't get the exfoliation, the oxygenation, and the infusion of the nutrients with this treatment, with the premium Skin Lueur Celebrity Facial. They also have the tightening effect right now on the chin, like if you have double chin, right? On the under eyes, if you have the baggy under eyes. So this is the one. So if you can see here, this is already a tripolar. So imagine that one, that is a third generation already. And it's so tender, so this one has no arcing. You remember, right, Sabrina? If we do the radio frequency, sometimes they complain because there's like an arcing, right? But this one, you will not experience that one. So are you so excited? So come and visit us now. So this one, it comes with the preparation gel, right? Because ultrasound, they always comes with gel. So we do that on the body. So this treatment, aside from the face, we also do this one on the body also right now, right?
Yes, you can get it on your back.
Even if you have problem in your back acne like whitening or firming, you can do this one now, especially for the people who complain about the darkening of the eyes. Yeah. So thank you for watching the unboxing of one of our famous treatment here in Skin Lueur. We call it Premium Skin Lueur Celebrity Facial. So today is New Year, right? So each people they have a New Year's resolution. Right? Their New Year's resolution is they don't want to use filters anymore. Like?
No more Facetune, no more Snow apps, no more Snapchat filters.
Yes, because we all know that if you want to have good skin, you need to have investment on it, right? For good skin doesn't just happen. So
It doesn't happen overnight.
So yes, Sabrina. So I'm so thankful for Sabrina to be here. Supposedly, it's the agent of the Oxygeneo who would be here with me right now, but unfortunately, because of the chilly and snowy weather, she was not able to come. So Sabrina, please do invite them to book for an appointment. And before that, Sabrina, I want to invite all our subscribers in our YouTube to please join our membership, because in our membership, they would have free perks, right? So we have 3 levels. We have the silver, bronze, and gold. And aside from the free treatments they can get, they also have discounts of our product, right?
Yeah, exclusive discounts. We've got exclusive videos that only members can watch. We'll be uploading those soon. And anything else you want to add, Doc Chum?
Yeah, so if you want to make it happen, right? So book now with our famous Premium Skin Lueur Celebrity Facial.
That's the first step.
That's the first step, because you know where your skin for the next years to come if you don't book with us.
Yes. And we can't wait to try this on you. So definitely call us or send us a message.